Ishiaki, Ishiapupu. Go home and tell your parents to pay your school fees. You have been in elementary class for 5 good years. Your mates are there writing WAEC and jams. Now listen, orderly. Don't come back to this school again without paying your school fees. And dress properly next time you come to this school.
Story, story, story. I don't like your color, but that is by the way. Now you listen, headmaster. What are you teaching in this school? What are you teaching? Huh? I am not coming back to this school. Yes. Everybody, are telling me about school. I have made my research and I've come to realize that street and school, they don't be mates. And I know, you're going to educate India me.
Orderly, Papa, why have you chosen the path of destruction? Why can't you be a good boy? For the last time. What happened to the school fees I gave you?
No, Papa. In a bubam repeat and I don't like it. Omogai teacher, I lost my school fees on my way to school.
Papa Odili. I don't know why you don't want this little boy to rest for you. Don't kill this little boy for me, please. He told you he lost his school fees. The only way out is just for you to look for a way out and pay for his school fees. Let him go back to school. Eh?
Ijele, you are the one destroying this boy. Yes, you have made him what he is. I wonder how bad you were when you were young.
Papa Odili.
Yes.
Don't try to insult me. Don't try to insult me. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Come. If you don't want to pay your son's school fees, tell me. Tell me and get ready to face my music in this house.
Ijele, no. Ataba, calm down, Mama. I know Papa's problem. Old age is your problem. Mama, during your time, your generation, don't you afro young boys sing swag? Why, Papa? What wrong choice now?
Rap if I want to swag, not just manage can name me. Or just can manually and name manually or that water. Name manually that water. Papa,
listen. I am not going back to school. Makatu, I'm done. My mates are no longer in that school. Besides, street and school no be mates now. Mechanic.
God forbid. No, again,
God forbid.
Mama, it's all about choice. I don't want to go to school anymore. Mechanic is my choice. So from tomorrow, I'm going to learn work. God forbid. Take your paper. Go school.
You are getting up, eh? You are getting up. You've seen what you cost. You've seen what you cost, eh? Odili. Hey,
The guy needs me. Inesu the guy me. Nobody else. You are gossiping with my name in this town. As a nice guy now. Abi? As a nice guy. As in watching Eke. In running way Quenso. Gazing here Quenso there, man.
Boss, I beg.
Bacharam Namaya.
Boss, I beg. I beg.
Let me go lawyer.
Bazoriaya!
Boss, I beg.
In the Chamania. Because of people like you, wicked people like you in this village, I have decided to take over the security of this community to fish out bad eggs like you. Do you see me? Gossips!
Was because I never walk.
Today, Iga hun ketoro biati.
Was because I beg. Was because
Bazwan Namaya!
Let them go lawyer.
Na park here.
was because
Park here now.
God, good day.
Guy, na park here.
Onyu Ocho.
Hey, you ma give me man. Come on, mother for a level. Park here for my guy. You ma give me man.
Hey.
Also, park here for my.
None of them like the boys not ready. Nothing up for me for, but they know I'm gonna get it. Shout out to the niggas who be repping from my city. Tell them it's a gun, man. Finally we made it. Then one better, carry way. When they call them with 2 more, I call the way. Guys, my fools up, and they seem the way. Now one boy, in my hand and what did he pay? Man, pass a little bit. Yes, they got fun, I have all of them. Repping for these niggas from city to city. I know you got me evil. I'm killing all these niggas in my belly.
Wasted effort. Now, can you do show flip gun and come? This is bad luck. Which kind of heroes get this? They don't pay her. Hi.
Ijele. Listen, I want you to warn your son
as long as I'm the head of this house, I don't want my name to be dragged to the mud. I can't continue to pay for what he steals in this community.
And Azodo?
Yes.
Okay, Abafai?
Yes.
You are just ranting. Yes. Stop ranting. You are telling me to warn my son.
Yes.
Why are you the head of the family? You just said you are the head of the family.
Yes.
Talk to your son. Go to him. Talk to him. Man to man. That is what other men do in their houses. Go to him, talk to him, and stop warning me. Ogini?
Ijele, if I should get angry and then take him to the police, it's going to be mother and son crime. Because you are the one sending him to steal people's in this community.
Michon, nkobuni ikutelu no ibulu. Nkobuni John ya kute na onu ya. Nkobuni John ikute ibulu. Onye ori.
Omu an ezukwu ori.
Na ejekwana miliga ma ye ka eluro. Kanu ko.
Let me not hear that again from you. Whatever happens, nobody will call me. You will pay for me.
Yo! Go and talk to your son. Man to man, you are afraid. You are afraid. When it comes to Ijele, you will have strength. Ijele this, Ijele that. Go to the police. Mention our names. Let me kill you in this house. Ijele this, Ijele that.
My fellow elders, I want to let you people know that this our community is in danger. And if we don't do anything now, our children will turn the Obi into a dancing hall.
Ndị obodo ekene m unu. Unu ataga m ebule. Asị m ekene m unu. Point of correction. I am not your child. Because none of you here gave birth to me. The next time I will hear any of you call me his child, I will cut off that person's tongue. Udo! I, the guy, and my boys have volunteered to take over the security of this community. We want to begin to fish out all these small boys that break into people's homes and steal their properties. What we need is your cooperation. If you cooperate with us, we will cooperate with you. Udo!
Please. Yes. Don't be angry. Calm down. Please. Which name are we going to call you? Hence you say we shouldn't call you our son again.
Udo! You can call me the guy. One more. Aka na-ebi igwe. Aka na-agbaji igwe. Onwero!
Well. We have heard you. I personally appreciate your concern about this community service. But let me ask, this vigilance service you and your group will render to this community, which you say we are going to pay you, how much?
As ezigbo nwafọ otu nkwo, all I need is your cooperation. Whatever you give to us, we will take. But all we need is your cooperation. Udo! Na-akụ n'aka, na-akụrụ m aka.
Banaka!
Aka mara mma ka ị ga-akụrụ dịga na-agbaji igwe.
Aka mara mma.
Aka mara mma ka ị ga-akụrụ dịga na-akụ igwe.
Aka mara mma.
Kụbara m aka mara mma.
Aka mara mma. Aka mara mma.
Kụbara m aka mara mma.
Aka mara mma. Aka mara mma.
Gbabara m egwu mara mma.
Dịga na-agbaji igwe. Egwu marama.
Egwu marama kega bara diga na majigwe.
Egwu marama.
Babara ye egwu marama.
Egwu marama.
Babara ye egwu marama. Babara ye egwu marama. Babara ye egwu marama. Egwu marama. Kaku one is up, man.
Adam Bajo.
How can you allow this small boy come here and insult us? What do you want me to do? Shut up!
Good day, Mommy Odin. I've not been seeing your son ever since he was sent back home for not paying school fees for 3 terms.
Adam, my son has not been feeling fine, but he's well now. He's coming to school to pay his 3 terms that you people sent him for. He will even pay for the promotional fee for him to enter secondary school, for you to know how rich we are now. Are you getting me? He will come to pay it. But let me warn you. Listen and listen good. My son's name is not Odiri. See the mouth you use in calling him. Odiri. His name is Odili. Pronounce it.
Odili.
Pronounce it well. Odili.
Odili.
Good. You're a good teacher.
I meant no harm, madam. I'm only concerned because your son is in my class.
You meant no harm. Yes, I know you meant no harm. It's just because you're concerned. Don't be concerned. My son is okay. Don't be concerned because he is not the only one you people sent packing. He's not the only one you asked to go home for not paying school fees. He's not the only one. So don't ever say you are concerned. You are not. China cable. Nonsense. I'll see you later. I beg your pardon. You see who later? You're doing like this to me. As in, you think I don't know how to say it? As in, look at the way she's walking. As in. Nchiche kwakwaka beli imi eba. Ndocho. Unu kubulo unu na asili. Iche na amaro me emie. As in, ife ni ine obu na imaro kem. As in, che na oso ye mo emega iwe nyori. Ndocho. Nchiche kwakwaka beli imi eba. Otu ocha. Otu mmana akagbe. Ya webe yi.
Hey, stop. Stop there. Not only my son. Why are you trying to sneak in like a rat?
Papa, me? Sneaking? No. I was catwalking. I can choose to cow walk, eagle walk, lion walk. It's my legs.
Oh, the lame one. You are like a small rat. I'm advising you to change. Or else, what happened to Anini will happen to you. Every finger in this community is pointing at you.
Papa, if Anini no be hero, if I no use them for example. Listen, if the villagers like, may they point their nose, eye, ear for my body. I'm the CEO, Def Jam. The latest gist is this. I will soon become a military man. Army, khaki for khaki. Then I will place everybody where they belong.
My son, Life is not worth living in crime. Therefore, change. Ancestors of our fathers, gods of our ancestors, bear me witness that I have advised my son today.
God of our ancestors, biko bịa n'ụgbọlụ unu nwoke a na nka abago ya isi ka anyị inherit obele fọdụrụ.
Come on, are you serious? I never knew there was such a pretty girl in this village, man. This town, I don't know, is so blessed. Cause you're so pretty. What you rub on your skin? Is this natural? The MAC here? Bro, look at the pink lips. Damn, you're beautiful. Okay, I'll do this stuff for you now, just because of your beauty, okay? Just get my point. I'm gonna get too fast when I rap. Yeah, baby, you kinda so beautiful. I can't explain, like the yellow gallow on your skin is looking yellow like a cockasoid. I can't even stir, but I gotta rap, cause you're pretty beautiful. Even if I bite my tongue, I never gonna say anybody wanna try to be telling me that I'm never gonna be spitting the thing I'm seeing, man. I'm seeing pretty in your eyes, seeing beauty.
You can't sing very well.
Should I do it again?
Yes.
It's for you.
Autumn!
What I'm rapping, I'm gonna rap, but I gotta rap.
Autumn!
Cause you're so beautiful.
Get remember. No, what is going on here? What is happening?
What the heck is this dumb jigaboo?
Yeah, Agu. Never na no. Oh, in our body, my girl. Girl, one guy. Give Padro. Lukuta. Eh? No. Who are you?
Nigga, who the heck are you, man? Why you poke nosing?
What are you?
Nigga, I'm trying to make some toast bread and you doing shit, huh?
Oh yeah, also one know you. Eh?
Hey, who these Mafians?
Oh no, so for mo yibo. Nkita ocha. Ina suru mo yibo.
Nigga, what the heck is wrong?
Na lo tunko. Ina so prefer.
Shit! The fuck? Hell, you guys. Fuck you, man. What the hell is this, man? You wanna get me? Oh my gosh, what the heck is this, man?
How can I support you, bro?
Man, it's not like that, man. Oh, shit. Man, what you
want?
Come
Come
on, what's this, man?
What's on your fear?
Yeah, come on, I can't. Come on,
Just take whatever you want, okay? Just leave me, okay? Just get. Oh my gosh.
Chineke, ina aso, ina rap room. Eh? Ina rap room, ka ngwa go tesa rap n'okwu nkwo. Onye wa ndị nwe obodo. Abata n'obodo obodo dere. Abata n'obodo akụ igwe idere. Ka rapụrụ gị mana na South Africa abụrụ obodo. O otu nkwo obodo. Onye wa obodo dị ga. Onye na-akụ igwe. Aga m akụ gị igwe. Ina rap room, ka ngwa gị na ina rap kwa here. Agu, cool down. Agu, make around this guy.
Oh my God.
Oh, well.
Nigga.
Uda!
Ouch! Oh!
Good.
Break my arm. Oh! No!
Uda!
My foot.
Wow, jump. Oya, wow, jump. Oya.
Let me.
I will let you rap. Can I pour you no tumpo? And I'm going to go now. Come back, pour you now. Oya, wow, jump.
What?
Wow, jump.
I don't get what you mean, man.
One more jump.
Oh yeah. Okay, my head hurts.
Jump like wow.
Alright, man. Whatever.
Jump like wow.
Okay.
Jump on like
Fuck you, man.
Jump on like wow.
Fuck you, dude.
Hey, na rap room. Come on, I know what. I know what.
Umanye natasi afufue Ndunyanye jizekwa kayalino Batago Ikaya batago bodo Nekwa yako na pia Acha mwasungole bane yafo Owote kwe Oke megi fenine Mwa Obidu kwa yana suwe
Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where? Okwandaga Okosoga na Senamdi Wicked. Eh? What were you doing with that idiot? Eh? To see any idiot, that jailbreak from South Africa. Eh? You're standing and talking to him. What are you talking to him about?
Brother, I'm sorry, I don't know him before. I've not spoken to him before. That's the first time I'm talking to him.
Cool down. Cool down. He na akwa one huh? How can you be talking to an imbecile? An idiot, you stand up be talking to him. For what now? What kind of rubbish is that? If not because I like you, I will cut any guys down below that stands with you on the road to talk to you. I will stuff his thing down his throat. I will stuff his thing in his mouth. Look, nobody, no boy in this village, in this community should talk to you. Oh, they want to eat what Ejina, the guy, is eating, Abi? No, fella, it's not possible.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will not do it again next time. I told you I don't know him. I'm sorry.
You are sure? Nanaya, I like you so much. You are my girlfriend from now. I want to design your body with money. Take care of you, Autumn? See, if not because I like you, I will send my boys to use bottle, scrape this your hair, Kodo. Then he will bottle design your face, this your fine face, scatter it for you. If I see any boy around you, he ain't get mad that boy. I will finish the guy and finish his family. Do you understand me?
Brother, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
You are sure? Are you sure? Are you telling me the truth?
Yes.
Why come? Come, baby. Autumn, bia oh. Hey, bia. Fine girl. See, I like you. I will take care of you. I will make you feel like a woman. Egotan. Hey. Chineke mo otiwana misio onyere mazo. Baby, I like you from mazo. Hey, onyenkem bia. See, I will take care of you. Listen, I will come to your house and tell your daddy not to disturb you. You are my girl from now. Ikwekwa. Hey, baby. Baby. Oh yeah. Oto ya.
Okay, make it penine.
Why are you scared? Okay, same deal. Now you.
The guy, he gave one day,
Naram now, see I'm dead. Why they fear like this? Who they fear? What you make you police officer? Protecting life and property, they fear. Let's go and arrest him. You be organ now. You be organ now. They go now. Let's be going. Tell me. No wahala. No wahala. Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Moi, sir. Yes, Ogini.
No problem, sir. Okay, somebody reported that at our station. Said that you beat him up and collected his money. But I know you can't do that kind of thing.
Yes, sir. Somebody reported me at your police station.
Yes, sir.
That I stole his money or her money, Abi. As a strong policeman, he came to arrest me.
No, arrest me.
Arrest me. Come on, get on your knees.
Sorry, sir.
Idiot. You do problem with me. Come on, Oya. One will jump. Oya, Akarante. One will jump. One will jump.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. He came to arrest me.
No, sir.
Hey, come here. Come here. He came to arrest me. You're not arrested.
Sorry, sir.
Have you not finally arrested yourself now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. Aja ago na ata aja aro.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Udo.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Oya now, arrest yourself to your station.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Run. Came to arrest me.
Dara.
What the?
Do. What all?
What the hell? What the?
Now here talk to me.
Nigga, you shouldn't be telling me about drink, man. I don't need this shit for now, man. I'm spitting no shit. Look at me, man. Look at me, Dave. This nigga screwed me up, man. They beat me, they humiliated me, man. Don't grab, man. I'ma screw them all up. The gang, the leader, I'ma fuck them up. The cops, they couldn't help me, man. The cops couldn't save my soul. Nigga, all my body aches. Don't get the point.
I still, just relax your mind. Those guys are notorious criminals. And everyone in this town, in this very town, knows them. And I overheard that one of their chairman, had what they call audition. And you don't have to go around and mess yourself with them. You have to go back where you have life. Go back to your normal life, where you base. Okay? Forget about this village.
You don't get the point, nigga. In the streets, man, in the hoods where I come from, you can't do this shit to me, man. I'm going you down straight from the up. You can't do no shit to me, man. You don't understand, man. Because of a Benny, a shouty, man, I was humiliated. I was thrown all the way up. Man, ain't gonna happen no more, man. I'm gonna do stuff about this.
If you name so good about that. You better know, but don't know. You think that every girl you see in this very town, that no one owns them. Look at your body. Look at what you do to yourself. You have to chill. Just relax and go back to your base. That's my advice to you, my brother. I'm through with you.
No, nothing. I'm fine. We thank the gods. I'm fine. It's just that I'm wondering what prompts this August visit to my family. If it is the levy, we have paid our weekly dues to your boys.
Okolowayo, I have not come to collect the weekly security levy. I have come to see my auto.
Okay.
Okwamam Adagewani. Owotom.
Otogi?
Yes, Otom Adagewani. Amanecha Odaram Odemnobi. Please call her for me. Call her for me.
Okwamma. Okwa.
Jiri anwayo abakwarana nwunye the guy in bow. Eh?
Brother, good afternoon. Hey, Papa, I'm almost done with the food. I just want to cut this vegetable and put inside.
Hey, Otomayo. Eh? Forget everything that you are doing. Leave it. I want to take you out. Eh? Kanga jirin kosaga. How let me spoil you with cash. Eh?
Brother.
Go inside. Eh? Forget everything that you're doing. Wear your slippers and come out. Look good for your guy. Eh? I said go away from here. Go away from here.
Sharply.
Tirani egu kaina ba. Now, Mamu, laugh. Enjoy the music. banyo. Na-akụ aka.
Just bịa ike, na-ajasị ike.
Na-achị ọchị. Start laughing. Ị na-akụ aka, ị na-achị ọchị. Ụtọ m ka anyị ga-ata ego.
Nwaanyị eje mba.
Udeji enwe agụ. Udeji agụ na njọ.
Ị na-aba mba?
Mba. God, why do you have to choose a wrong man for my daughter, my only daughter? Hey, Okwamena, oh, can see Jamili Amakwa Bubu Finanya.
Baby. You might reach it. It's quite romantic. It never maga. It never make a lot. Your mom. Listen. As your guy in this community, no shaking. Omero! Anybody that dares you in this community, tell me. I will flog the person. Omero! Udo! Eh? Otumkeo! Achalugo! Amama Masramasi! Listen, just name whatever you want. I will do it for you immediately.
I don't want anything now, but if I want something, I'll let you know.
Is it one? Baby. Oh, you didn't go busy. Can be dona, nyegi blessing. They can be dona, nyegi blessing. Oh, mother. Oh, the guy named Fego. The guy named Ego Kanko. Egota. I'm not pigwe. Mpyagi igwe nweta nke onwere ndị eke nwere ike ijide m. Christmas erugo ka mgbara igwe.
The guy, I saw this small boy peeping through the window. It be like say this guy dey do some crayfish waka.
Udo! You dey do crayfish for what? You dey do crayfish waka for my domain? Eh? Mabrunala! Who sent you? Oh, he didn't sue me. Let's go, he didn't sue me. Even on my domain. Even with my baby.
No, sir. Biko.
Ngodo. Ma hige me now. Nyenama AM. AM wa analog. Bazore na ma afia. Owero.
Onye bulu one ya bro ko dogu biko du e bulu no see so kwa. I just like you. I like you, man. Let me be cleaning your shoe or your gold biko. That's all.
Neko wa pimpi. Neko wa mbashi.
One love.
Come on.
One love. Come back, Charlie.
Oh, my baby.
I beg you, because like God, please.
Mama, no. Stop.
What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of wickedness is this?
Ejina, did this to me. And to ground it all, he took all my belongings.
So after beating you, he collected all your things too?
He took everything, Mama.
Okay. Don't worry. All this bullying will stop. Very soon. Don't worry. Sorry.
Odili, who did all this to you?
Ejina.
What offense did you commit that led to his doing this to you?
I did nothing to him. Ejina is just intimidating me, Papa. Ejina is intimidating me. Look at what he did to me. He took my money. He took my belongings.
Only God knows what happened between two of you. You see, this is what I have been saying. Stay on your own. If you have joined the Ejina group in terrorizing this community, stay on your own and find a job for yourself. That's all. I have said my own.
You said your own.
Yes.
You said your own.
I have said my own.
And Azudo, for once, trust your son. Obugoro so fumbulu mbose. Trust your son, Anazodo. Trust your son. What is this?
Keep deceiving this boy. One day the gods will expose you.
Get inside. Get inside with your gods. Gods will one day see you through. Onwebwe. On get it. Chicho Kwaka believe nearby.
Ejina thunder will go fire you to do praise home. Ejina thunder will go fire you to do praise home. DPO, you are welcome.
Igwe.
I say, what are you doing to help this community? You can see now we are scared. And we hardly sleep very well in the night.
Igwe, may you live long. Igwe, my men and I have tried so much to make sure that we arrest this notorious criminal. But one promise I have for the land of Otunkwo is that in 2 weeks, this particular gang, this gang in question, shall be arrested, and we will bring all of them to book. Yes, you all are witnesses to the fact that this gang in question attacked our station and killed some of my men. Well, I've sent a signal across to the headquarters demanding for reinforcement. And I'm sure that when that is done, this gang shall be arrested.
Thank you so much, but we need results. We need results. We do not want crime to continue increasing in this community. Look, we have a reward for you people if you catch that boy, Ejina.
Igwe, we'll try our best. But there's one thing that we demand of you. Just one thing. If there's any one of you that has some vital information which will help us to arrest this gang, please do not waste time to feed us with such information.
DPO, what other information do you need? Because we all know his names, where he lives, and even his parental background. So what else? DPO, you must help us, please.
Well, I think we've done that. We are expecting signal from the headquarters. Once the headquarters orders us, we will start
a fresh combat. And by that, we will arrest them and crush all of them. We will crush all the criminals in this land.
Oh, Bapenano. Diba na kwa nkono anaelin tupu ono elien. Basi buleke. Buloye. Bulafo. Bulonko kana kwa munu kana mwodi nana. Asina ago ya uza ago ya ono. Okwa, where are you going to?
I'm going to see Ejina. He's taking me out for shopping today.
Let thunder strike that your mouth. Let your mouth be swallowed by thunder. Now will you go in and pound that cassava? Now! Look at you! Look at the way you are even dressed. Eh? You would have taken to prostitution. Then I will know that my daughter is prostituting. Look at you! I thought you said that there's nothing between both of you. Isn't that what you told me? That there's nothing between both of you. Huh?
Papa, you don't want me to go, right? No problem, I will stay. But I know that when he waits for me and didn't see me, he will come here looking for me. And when he does that, I will tell him that you stopped me from coming. Let me go inside.
You should have told me that you want to marry that hooligan. You should have told me earlier. Eh? Anyway, I'm not stopping you from going to see him. If you want to go to see him, go. However, just tell him not to be coming to my house.
Thank you, Papa. I'll be back.
Hey! Leave me alone. Don't touch me with your filthy hands.
I'll be back pretty soon.
Hey. Bell. Miliana no shajezu akwa maka tielo ako kako. Fungu akwa na. Hey. Hey, no do. I'm gonna come JC Kota.
On the border here there. On the park here there. On the border here there. On the park here there. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Taja. Italy Bofia. Yeah. Echego monga, abago meboy. Afugo mi feni ne dun wane bebe. Otito delije so ne bebe. Wane ne bebe. Onye ne yo, onye ne be. If I want it for one nyake genwe. Kibuze enwe. Gine amare ne nyenwe. Mbago degede wane mbagede. Mwata bagede mma bagede. Obu mine ninu. Iwe gine wem. Wanna put on those up before we may we go one change your mind. Get me even in and we for the nine. If I want nature, I want them get two. Yeah, a 2 part 2. Yeah, I'm looking for my money and my money and my mind. I talk with me more honey, but one day, but it's in your body, sing one ben na peka. If it may make it. If it may make it. Yeah. I'm not going to get mad over done yet.